Have you ever wondered how to import your own audio to the Apple Music desktop application? That's a very good question. People think that only Apple Music can be streamed and downloaded to the platform, but that's not the case. You have the ability to create audio and then import audio into Apple Music and then listen to that as if it were an album or a song. Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to import audio to the Apple Music desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to Apple Music as well as an audio file that we will be uploading and importing. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Apple Music, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to File, Import, and make sure that we have an audio file ready for import. Let's go to the desktop. We have this audio file that was taken from the YouTube library. Click on this, that we use in our videos. Free royalty music, click on Open. Let's now go to albums, and here we have that audio file. Get information. We can then edit the name, the title, the artwork. That's all for another tutorial. Let's now click on OK. If I was to, let's just say now click onto this audio file, we could then start to listen to the song within the Apple Music application on the Mac computer. So we can now quit music. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.